Today I'm gonna be playing Just Dance, and my friend's gonna be narrating. Okay?
Okay,
let's get started. I'm gonna be the one dancing.
Okay. Okay, it's going on good so far. Keep following this YouTube channel. We will be making more videos as we go on.
I'm also gonna be doing a part 4 for Donkey Kong Bonanza sooner. So stay tuned.
Okay, this is going really well.
I got 2 stars.
Nice moves.
Almost 4.
Got 4 stars. Going good. Almost 5.
Oh, it's getting faster.
Oh, super fast. When does this end?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
And you should be getting that 5th star sometime soon. Yep, it's coming.
I'm doing really well.
New star. That's good.
Probably one of my favorite songs doing this. That's it for the end of the video.
Bye.
That's
See
it.
you
See
next
you next video.